As the tech world eagerly awaits Apple's iPhone 16 event, whispers of a surprise Mac Mini announcement are gaining momentum. Insiders suggest that Apple is poised to unveil a radically revamped Mac Mini, propelled by the revolutionary M4 chip. Initially debuted in the iPad Pro, the M4 chip has already showcased its remarkable prowess, and Apple is now rumored to be unleashing its full fury in the Mac Mini. By integrating this cutting-edge chip, Apple is expected to dramatically elevate the Mac Mini's performance, efficiency, and feature set, setting a new benchmark for compact desktop computing. With the M4 chip at its core, the new Mac Mini is primed to deliver a transformative user experience, blurring the lines between power and portability. A more powerful Mac Mini, the M4 chip, already a powerhouse in the iPad Pro, is rumored to be even more potent than its current implementation. This means that when integrated into the Mac Mini, it will unlock unprecedented levels of performance, efficiency, and functionality. With the M4 chip at its helm, the Mac Mini is poised to deliver a transformative experience, catering to the demands of both professionals and consumers. Expect a significant boost in processing power, accelerated graphics, and enhanced multitasking capabilities, making it an ideal choice for resource-intensive tasks and creative workflow. Moreover, the M4 chip's improved efficiency will likely result in reduced power consumption, heat generation, and noise levels, creating a more seamless and reliable user experience. As the M4 chip's full potential is unleashed, the Mac Mini is set to become an even more formidable force in the world of compact desktop. Rumored features and design. Leaked information suggests that the new Mac Mini will boast a smaller form factor than its predecessor, making it even more compact and convenient. Additionally, the device is rumored to feature 3 Thunderbolt ports and an SD card reader, providing users with expanded connectivity options. Furthermore, the new Mac Mini is said to support up to 3 external displays, catering to the needs of multitaskers and creative professionals. Affordable pricing. If the rumors are true, the M4 Mac Mini will be priced at an attractive $499, making it an even more compelling option for those seeking a powerful and compact desktop solution. The impending arrival of the M4-powered Mac Mini has ignited immense excitement, promising a groundbreaking shift in the desktop computing landscape. If the rumors prove true, Apple is poised to unveil a revolutionary product that will captivate a broad audience. By combining the M4 chip's exceptional performance, the Mac Mini's sleek and compact design, and an attractive price point, Apple is set to create a perfect storm of innovation and accessibility. This potent combination will undoubtedly generate widespread buzz, appealing to professionals, creatives, and consumers alike. The M4 Mac Mini's enhanced performance will empower users to tackle demanding tasks with ease, while its compact form factor and affordable pricing will make it an attractive option for those seeking a powerful yet unobtrusive desktop solution. As Apple prepares to unveil this game-changing product, users can expect a seamless fusion of power, efficiency, and design. Stay tuned for official announcements and be among the first to experience the future of desktop computing. The M4 Mac Mini is poised to redefine the boundaries of what's possible, and its impact will be felt across the tech world.